I make them stop. I know. Whenever I have hiccups, I just hold my breath and count to 10. We can count. We just need you to hold your breath. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Why are you holding your breath? What? Did us holding our breath cure Mabel's hiccups?
Only she needed to hold her breath, silly.